Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Shortcuts app in iPhone. That is literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. The Shortcuts app on iPhone allows you to automate tasks and create custom shortcuts to streamline your daily activities. Here's how to use the Shortcuts app effectively. First method: Overview of Shortcuts app. The Shortcuts app is pre-installed on iPhones running iOS 12 and later. If you don't see it, you can download it for free from the App Store. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, tap on Gallery at the bottom of the screen to explore pre-made shortcuts by Apple and other users. These can include shortcuts for productivity, health, entertainment, and more. Tap on any shortcut to preview and add it to your collection. Now, go back and go to Shortcuts. Tap on Create Shortcut, the plus button on the top right to start building your own custom shortcut by tapping Add the Action. You can add actions from various categories like apps, scripting, media, home, and more. For example, I will add scripting, and here you can add some apps, content, control flow. So now let's choose the open app, and you can choose from the action suggestions by tapping on the plus button. So now, let's stay on this way. Tap on Done, then tap on Shortcuts to go to Shortcuts menu. Next method, Manage Shortcuts. Tap on My Shortcuts to view and manage all your created shortcuts. Swipe left on any shortcut to delete or edit it. Tap on any shortcut to run it immediately. For example, Shazam. By using the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, you can save time, automate repetitive tasks, and customize your device to better fit your daily routines and preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.